Want to start your own Minecraft economy, SMP? Here's how to set it up in just a few steps. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1, set up your server. First, set up your Minecraft server using a host like Apex Hosting or Aternos. Make sure it supports mods and plugins. Step 2, install economy plugins. Next, install an economy plugin. For Spigot or Paper, try Essentials X or iConomy. For Fabric or Forge, use Currency Mod. Step 3, configure the economy. Configure your currency settings. Decide how players earn and spend their money. Adjust values to keep the economy balanced. Step 4, create shops. Set up shops with plugins like Shop Guy Plus or Chest Shop. Let players buy and sell items like food and tools using their currency. Step 5, add jobs and quests. Give players the chance to earn currency with Jobs Reborn. Set up quests with Quest World to reward players for completing tasks. Step 6, set rules and encourage trade. Create rules for trading and encourage players to build shops and interact with each other in a marketplace. Step 7, maintain the economy. Monitor your economy to avoid inflation or exploits. Adjust settings to keep things fun and competitive. That's how you start a Minecraft economy, SMP. Set up plugins, create shops, and keep your economy balanced. Hit subscribe for more tips and comment if you need help with anything else.